Austin cyclists and inline skaters have been enjoying the Veloway Park Trail since its creation in the early 90s. The paved 5-kilometer loop is located in Circle C Ranch Metropolitan Park next to the Lady Bird Johnson Wildflower Center in southwest Austin. Motorized vehicles, foot traffic, and dogs are prohibited on the trail, leaving the spacious 2 lanes perfect for cyclists and skaters of all skill levels. For the most part, the Veloway is smooth, but you can expect to encounter a few inclines along the way. You may see some wildlife on your ride, including deer, roadrunners, and a wide variety of birds and reptiles. The Veloway is open year-round from dawn to dusk. Please visit austintexas.gov/department/Veloway for more information.